In this lesson, I'll show you how to install 1Password on a phone or tablet. This lesson in the Improving Your Online Safety with Better Password Management training course is where the rubber starts to meet the road. To begin, I'm going to go to my phone. As you can see, I'm here on my iPhone. The steps I'm about to show you will be very similar if you follow along on an iPad. The steps should be similar if you're on an Android. Regardless, the first step is to open the App Store on an iPhone or iPad, or the Google Play Store on Android. Once in the store, please click the Search tab in the tab bar. At this point, the search section in the store should appear. Once in the search section, select the search field and enter 1Password. 1Password should appear in the list of recommendations. Once the recommendation appears, select it. This will bring up all of the apps that have 1Password in the name. I would recommend finding the one in the App Store that's the editor's choice. As of the time of writing, the Google Play Store didn't have a similar designation. So, look carefully for an icon that looks like this. Once you've identified the app, go ahead and get it. On iPhone or an iPad, you have to confirm your intention to install an app. I'm going to go ahead and do that by double-clicking as prompted. At this point, 1Password will begin to install on your device. You can also launch 1Password to begin using it. The first thing that you'll be asked for is if you want 1Password to be able to send you notifications. 1Password will send you notifications if a password you're using has been breached or for other security issues. For that reason, you may want to consider allowing 1Password to send you notifications. In fact, that's what I do. Other than that, 1Password has been successfully installed on your device. In this section, we discussed improving your online safety. We began by uninstalling unnecessary extensions from a browser. Then, we discussed what a password manager does for you and some of the useful features they provide. Finally, I showed you how to install a password manager. Specifically, I showed you how to install 1Password. If you found this section helpful, I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up. If there's something else you would have liked to have seen, please comment in the section below. Either way, we're getting ready to go deeper into 1Password. In the next section, I'm going to show you how to actually use 1Password.